Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Techlearners. We are going with the Design and Analysis playlist series. In this series, our next video is based on a very common problem in the design and analysis algorithm or in the computer science field, that is the n-queen problem. So today we will see what is n-queen problem and how we can solve this n-queen problem. So let us discuss what is n-queen problem. It is a problem where on an n cross n chessboard we have to place n queens in such a way that no two queens will be able to attack each other. So if you know the chess game, then you must be able to understand it much clearly. But let us see with an example. This n queen problem can be seen as for n is equal to 4, for n is equal to 8, for n is equal to 16 and so on. So we'll see the most basic example for this, that is 4 queen problem, where we have a 4 cross 4 chessboard in which we need to place these 4 queens in such a way that no two queens will attack each other. Let us say if we place queen 1 here, then we cannot place another queen in the same row or in the same column or in the same diagonal. So in this way, now the queen number 2 cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here. So these places we can mark them, and in the diagonal as well. So whatever the places are left, now we can place next queen there, and then in this manner we have to place all the queens. So let's say if we are placing queen 2, now this column also we cannot place here, now we cannot place here because it is diagonal, and we can also not place here because it is the same column and the diagonal of q2 as well. So we can see all the places have been crossed, and now the third queen can be placed here, q3, but now we are not left with any place to place this queen number 4. So how we can solve this 4 queen problem in the computer science field? So let's see the approaches. For this we have backtracking approach, which is the very common approach, and it is used for the simplest problems where n is equal to 4. That means for 4 cross 4 board. So it is the best algorithm whenever the n is small. Then we can also use branch and bound algorithm for higher n. Let's say for n is equal to 8, 16 and so on. We can also use genetic algorithm, and we can also use hill climber algorithm. So these two, genetic and hill climber algorithms, are good for higher value of n, but definitely they will not guarantee the solution. But this backtracking algorithm, this is good for smaller n, let's say for n is equal to 4, and this will also guarantee the solution. We'll get the solution in some cases, in all the cases, but here in genetic and hill climber, the complexity, the time complexity reduces for higher n, but definitely this will not guarantee the solution. So today we will see the solution of this 4 queen problem using the backtracking approach. When we use the backtracking approach, the time complexity for this algorithm will be order of factorial n. This is also high, but this is one of the best kind of time complexities which we get in the backtracking for smaller n is equal to 4. Now let's see how we can solve this using backtracking approach. Now let us see the solution of 4 queen problem using backtracking. We have already seen that the time complexity for backtracking algorithm will be order of factorial of n. Now just to see the solution, we will create the state space tree. So using backtracking, we generally create the state space tree to solve a problem. We'll also create a state space tree. So backtracking says that we start placing queens one by one from the leftmost column, and then marking the column where we can put the another queen, and we keep doing this till we reach either to the solution or we reach to the dead end. If we reach to the solution will be returned. Otherwise, if we reach to the dead end, from there we will backtrack. So let's see how we can do this. So let's say this is the 4 cross 4 board, and initially we have to place the queen in the leftmost column. So we have these 4 options, but first of all we choose this leftmost column and we'll place here. Let's say in the first part we place the queen here, that is q1. Okay, now we need to mark those columns where we can put the next queen, that is queen 2. So we can see we cannot put next queen here, we cannot put here, we even cannot put here. So the next column where we can put the queen in the next row, that is here, we can put it here. So we will put next queen here, this is q2. Now we can see this first column is blocked, we will not be able to put it here. The second column is also now blocked, where we can put now you can see in the third row, we will not be able to put it here, this queen, neither we will be able to put it here in the next row. So we have to backtrack from there, because now all these places, you can see this diagonal due to diagonal, this is due to diagonal, and in this row now we will not be able to put any queen. So from here we will backtrack. So we will backtrack here. From here we can see we also have another location here. So now we'll try Q1 and then we'll try to put Q2. So these are the two places. Now we'll see this column is blocked, this column is blocked. So where we will be able to put, we cannot able to put it here because it is in the diagonal of this. So we can put Q3 here. So now we'll put Q3 here. So you can see this is Q3, and now we'll see in the next where we can put. So in the next row we'll be able to see that we'll not be able to put it here, and even we'll not be able to put it here. So again we have reached to the dead end. So again we'll backtrack. So we'll come back here, and now all these positions are blocked. So we'll again backtrack, and now we'll change the position of Q1 from the first column to the second column. Now we'll put it here. Let's say Q2. Now in the next step we'll see in which column we can put. We can see just because of Q2 here we'll not be able to put it here. We'll not be able to put it here. We'll not be able to put it here. So we are left with only one position, this position. So here we'll put, let's say this is Q1, this is Q2. Now we'll see where we cannot put this. We will not be able to put this. We will not be able to put, and due to that this is in the diagonal of Q2. We will not be able to put any queen here. So we are left with this one place. So we can put the next queen here in Q3 position. So we'll put it here. This is Q1, this is Q2, and this is Q3. Now we are left with last row. We'll see where we can put. We cannot put it here. We cannot put it here. We cannot put it here, and we will be able to put it here on the last place. So here we can say Q1 is here, Q2 is here, Q3 is here, and Q4 is here. So this is one solution. So we have reached to the solution, and now this solution will be returned back. So we have seen by using backtracking, we have created a state space tree, and we have found the solution. Let's revise very quickly. From the first instance, we have to put Q1 here. Once we have put Q1 here, in the next row we have to see where we can put the next queen. We had two positions. We started with this one. Once we put on Q2 here, then we have to see in the next row where we can put Q3, and we can say in the next row there we are left with no position, so we'll backtrack. Now we'll change the position to Q3, Q2, then Q2 will be here. Now we'll see where we can put Q3 in the next row. In the next row we can put Q3 here, because we know in the 4 queen problem we cannot put any queen in the same diagonal, in the same column, or in the same row. So Q3 here. In the next row we can see all the positions are blocked, so again we'll backtrack. Now we are not left with any other position, so we'll again backtrack. We'll change the position of Q2. So this is the Q2, and then we'll see in the next row we can put Q2 here. So this one Q1, this one was Q1. In the next row we'll see Q2 here. So we have put Q2 here. Then in the next row we can see we will put Q3 here. So Q3 will be here, and in the last we can see Q4 will be here. So this is the solution to n queen problem. This is actually 4 queen problem, and the solution is using backtracking, creating state space tree.